Hi guys, welcome to Sabondi Academy. In today's video, we'll be solving question 13 of the 2020 WASSCE Core Maths Theory questions. So we begin with question 13a. Given that f of x maps onto x plus 3 and g of x maps onto x squared, find g of f of x I. Evaluate g of f of 2. So let's begin with the solution for question 13a. You are being asked to find g of fs. But first, we know that f of x is equal to x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x squared. So what this means is that we are replacing x in g with f of x. So g of f of x is anywhere we find x in g, we replace it with f of x, which is x plus 3. So we have x plus 3 all squared. Now this is the same as x plus 3 multiplying x plus 3. So x times x, we have x squared. X times 3, we have 3x. 3 times x, we have 3x. And then 3 times 3, we have 9. So when we simplify, we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. Therefore, our g of f of x is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9. So moving on to ai, it says evaluate g of f of 2. So g of f of 2. So g of f of x is x squared plus 6x plus 9. So what this means is that anywhere we see x in this relation, we put 2 there. So we have 2 squared plus 6 times 2 plus 9. And this is equal to 4 plus 12 plus 9. Now 4 plus 12 plus 9 is equal to 25. So therefore, g of f of 2 is equal to 25. So this brings us to the end of question 13a. So we'll be moving on to question 13b. 13b, for what values of x is 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 2 undefined? So a number is undefined if it's divided by 0. So let's begin with the solution for 13b. So if we add this, you have 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 2. So the LCM is x into brackets x plus 2. So this goes here 1. So x goes into x multiplying x by 2 by x plus 2. And then this goes here x times. So we have 2x plus 2 divided by x multiplying x plus 2. So like I mentioned earlier, a number is undefined if it's divided by 0. So we are saying that for this fraction to be undefined, x multiplying x plus 2 should be equal to 0. So x multiplying x plus 2 should be equal to 0. Now this is the same as x is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 2. So for the relation to be undefined, or for the expression to be undefined, our x should be either 0 or negative 2. So this is what our solution means. So this brings us to the end of question 13b. We'll be moving on to question 13c. 13c. Given that f of x is equal to k over x plus 1 plus 6 over x plus 2 and f of 5 is equal to x, find the value of k. So f of 5 means anywhere we see x in f of x, we put 5. So it will be equal to k over x plus 1, and x is 5. So 5 plus 1 plus 6 over 5 plus 2. And you are saying f of 5 is equal to 8. So we have k over 5 plus 1 plus 6 over 5 plus 2 is equal to 8. Now when we simplify this, our LCM will be 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2. 5 plus 1 goes into the denominator 5 plus 2 times. So we have k multiplying 5 plus 2. Then here we have 6 multiplying 5 plus 1. And this is equal to 8. Now we multiply everything by the denominator, which is 5 plus 1, 5 plus x. So we have 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, multiplying k 5 plus 2 plus 6, 5 plus 1, all over 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2. And this is equal to 8 multiplying 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2. So the whole of this cancels this. So we'll be left with k multiplying 5 plus 2 plus 6 multiplying 5 plus 1 is equal to 8 multiplying 5 plus 1 is 6 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So you have k multiplying 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 6 multiplying 5 plus 1 is 6 is equal to 8 multiplying 6 and 7. So 7 times k is 7k plus 6 times 6 is 36 is equal to 8 times 6 times 7 is equal to 336. So we have 7k is equal to 336 minus 36. So 7k is equal to 300. Now to find k, we divide both sides by 7. So we divide here by 7, here by 7. Our k will be equal to 300 divided by 7, and that's 42.86. So this brings us to the end of question 13 and the end of the 2020 core maths theory questions. Thank you.